Myself is Dr. Jayant Bhattacharya, Group Product Manager in Vetoquinol India. This Vetoquinol India is 10th largest global veterinary pharmaceutical company. They are exclusively in veterinary pharmaceuticals, of course, and they are very strong. They have 24 subsidiaries throughout the globe, and they have the operation in 110 countries, directly and indirectly. And basically, they are very strong in cattle, poultry, as well as companion animals. And they entered in Indian market through mergers and acquisitions of Wockhardt Limited. They acquired Animal Health Division of Wockhardt in 2008, and they consolidated, and they are very strong in poultry market. So in poultry market, we have wide range of products like feed supplements, feed additives, as well as water solubles, and we have the global partners or some in-license partners for Indian market like Dex, Iverica, Invesa, and we are marketing their products in India, and we have very strong brands like Toxidex. It is the #1 toxin binder in Indian market, and we have Chick-Tonic, that is the multivitamins as well as multi-amino acids water soluble products, and it is also the #1 brand in that segment. And we are strong in cocktail enzymes, we are strong in toxin binders, we are strong in this fat emulsifier as well as vitamin premix. And our strategy is that we want to be focused in cattle, poultry as well as companion animals. And maybe organically and inorganically we want to grow in India, we want to be sustainable in Indian market. And this Poultry India, definitely it is a big platform to us, and it is for promotion of the brand, corporate brand as well as the product brands. And definitely I am thankful to Poultry India to give us an opportunity to promote our products as well as corporate brands. We have exclusive products like toxin binders. This toxin binder is exclusive. Why? Because it is the broad spectrum toxin binders. It can control or prevent all toxins, not only the normal common toxins like aflatoxins and ochratoxins. It can take care of zearalenons. In India particularly, zearalenone problem is very high because it is tropical country, and in tropical country moisture is very high, and so these problems, particularly these toxins like zearalenone, stereotoxins, it is invisible. You cannot see by naked eye, or even there will be no changes in the symptomatically there will be no changes, but in performance it matters. There is a significant changes when you will use the toxin binders, particularly in breeder and in layer. It increases the laying percentage as well as the hatchability or fertility. So that is the advantage to use the good toxin binder like Toxidex. Thank you very much.